Hi guys. I am seriously having a lot of issues with these lives. I'm trying to go on live, but like the connection is not strong enough, or there's just I'm just having so many issues. When I have good Wi-Fi, I promise I will go on live as much as possible. But for right now, what I'm gonna do is it's gonna be like I'm on live. I'm gonna be doing these videos. So it's gonna be like I'm on live because it's still gonna be unedited. It's still gonna be, just the raw, like it's a conversation between you and I. I'm just not gonna be able to see your comments and stuff like that. But I want to try to at least give you something because I know you guys are really enjoying the lives, and I'm like so sad at the fact that like my network is just not allowing me to. So there's been a lot of things going on. Like, so many things going on. And I wanted you guys to be a part of my journey. I always wanted you guys to be a part of my journey from the beginning of time. And in order for you guys to be a part of that, I feel like I have to give you updates on my life. So right now, pretty much what's going on is I'm leaving Tanzania. Leaving Tanzania. Like I'm leaving Tanzania, which makes me so sad. Not forever. I'm coming back. But I feel like for me, I need to go around the continent and see what's my favorite place, see what I really love, get to know different people. Like, I really feel like I need that, you know what I'm saying, before I like settle down and have like my own place. And, so as of right now, I'm pretty much just going around Africa. Um, Comment below what country you're in if you're in Africa, because I'm gonna try to have like maybe some meetups and things like that. So right now, you guys, a video is coming out how I packed the car and stuff like that, so you guys can see. So I'm basically doing a road trip around Africa. It's gonna be crazy. This is something that I've been planning for 4 years now. 4 years I've been planning on doing it, and I can't believe like it's happening. Like I'm in shock. Like I'm like, oh my God, really? Like, is it really happening? So right now I'm actually sitting in front of the hospital. Hope went in to go get our results for our COVID test because we need it in order to travel through borders. So I feel so blessed to be able to have this opportunity to be able to do this. Really, guys, like when you work hard and when you really want something, like you manifest it. Like just speak it into existence. This was a dream of mine for 4 years, and I never thought in a million years that I would be doing it. Like I just never thought in a million years that this would be something that I am doing. Like I am like backpacking Africa. I can't wait to see the different cultures. I can't wait to eat different foods. I can't wait to give you guys story time about, the crazy places that I'm staying and whatever it is that happens. I am going to keep you guys in the loop. Like, tell your friends, tell your family, subscribe to my channel, guys. I really want to hit 5,000 subscribers, and that is through you guys. Tell everybody what is going on so that way, you guys, you have to be a part of this journey with me. I feel like it's gonna be such a beautiful experience. Um, One of the places that I am going is to Zimbabwe. Now, if you guys have been following me for a long time, you know that I do a really big putting kids back into school education. So I got this funding a couple months ago to help put these kids back with this school. And because of COVID, the borders locked and everything, so I wasn't able to go. But now that, things are, still have to do quarantine and stuff, but now that things are, getting a little better, I'm able to enter inside of Zimbabwe and, go and change these kids' lives. So, I mean, guys, the next couple months is gonna be so exciting. So exciting. You want to be a part of this. You want to tune in. You want to watch my videos because, guys, you are going to see content that you will not see anywhere else. Truly. I'm really excited. Please tell me what country you're from, why I should come to that country, and what I should check out when I'm in that country because that would be so exciting. I am not going to tell you guys exactly where I'm going. I want to leave that for a surprise when you guys see the content and stuff like that. But just know we're about to be everywhere and anywhere. Yes, Hope is coming with me because we do work together. He is my videographer as well. So we're going to be having amazing, 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 amazing content out there. So right now, like I said, I'm at the hospital. We're gonna get the COVID test back, and then I just need to go to the supermarket, pick up a few things, and get ready, start getting on the road. Pretty much, I've already said goodbye to all of my friends here in Tanzania. I'm gonna miss Tanzania so much. Oh my God. I pray that, like, the other countries that I go to are like as welcoming and warming as Tanzania. Because as of right now, you guys are gonna see my journey and see if I change my mind or how I change my mind or whatever. But as of right now, Tanzania is my number one forever home country so far. Again, I've only been to four countries in Africa. So, after this, I'm going to have a way more bigger mindset about, which countries are out there and experience them. So, we'll see. But as of right now, leaving Tanzania, so far, I can definitely see myself living in Tanzania. 100%. And I specifically see myself living in Jerusalem. Um, I feel like Arusha is really nice and it's very country and it's beautiful, but I can't see myself living there like forever. And Zanzibar also is just absolutely beautiful, but that to me that would feel like I'm living in Miami, and I can never see myself living in Miami. Guys, I'm drinking the Kilimanjaro water. It's so good. Like, it's so good. Mm, it's very fresh. This is gonna be an experience. I'm gonna be eating a lot of street food. I'm gonna be talking to you guys a lot. I'm gonna be meeting people, staying in different places. Sometimes sleeping in the car. Like it's gonna be such. It's gonna be such an experience. Really, I am. I'm excited. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm very excited. Like, I'm really, really, honestly, I'm excited, but I'm also kind of shocked because when you've been planning something for so long, like you've been planning this for 4 years, when you've been planning something for so long, and then it's finally happening, you're like, is this really happening? Like, is this real? You know what I'm saying? Like, is this real? Like, is this really happening? So I kind of have like that, like, wow moment, like I have that wow moment. Um, but yeah, so I mean, a lot of people have been contacting me saying that, like, hey, I'm coming to Tanzania. A lot of you are coming in December and January. And, unfortunately, I'm not going to be here for the next couple months. So I'm not going to be able to meet you guys, and I apologize for that. But I'm not staying in Tanzania permanently as of yet. I don't really have a permanent home as of yet, because I just want to see what's out there, and then I want to choose my forever home. So I do apologize, but I know so many other YouTubers who are here in Tanzania, and I'll try to connect you with them if that's what you need and stuff like that. But so I do apologize for not being able to, be there for you guys. Now, if you want to follow my journey like head on, Make sure you follow me, guys, on Instagram. Seriously, it's at Jules on the Run. Hold on, y'all. Hope calling. Hello? Yeah. Okay, so you almost got the results. Perfect. All right. Got you. I'm on live. All right. So Hope just told me that we are number 14, and right now he's at number 12. So we're almost gonna get our results, which is great. Um, but I was saying how yeah, if you want to follow, like, guys, I'm about to have beautiful photos. Like, Hope is here. He has his drone. He has all of his high technology. The content is about to be so beautiful. We've been waiting for this, like, waiting for this. So trust me when I tell you, it's gonna be worth it to follow along. So I mean, I'm on every flat platform at Jules on the Run. So definitely keep in touch. Again, I'm so sorry about these lives, at the fact that I can't talk live, but I still want to make you guys feel like I'm on live with you guys, because as you can see, I'm in the car. This is unedited. I'm still going to give you that, raw, true experience. Maybe I know how you got, maybe we can do for right now is, I know how you guys like to, like, ask questions and stuff like that when I'm on live. So maybe you guys can comment on these videos, and then the next video that I make, I can answer some of those questions. You guys, please, please, please bear with me. I'm trying to figure it out. We are going to different countries, so the internet is going to be different in each country. Excuse me. The internet is going to be different in each country. So I got to figure it out, and I'm going to figure it out for you guys. But as of right now, these type of videos just work better for my service, because then I can just upload it and stuff. I love you guys, and that currently is the update right now in my life. Bye.